This is a 4-row repeat worked on a multiple of 6 plus 4. For my sample, I cast on 22 stitches with DK weight yarn and US size 7 needles. For row 1, you're just going to knit all stitches. For row 2, you're going to start by purling the first 4 stitches. And then you're going to repeat. Knit 2, purl 4 to the end of the row. So you just knit 2 and purl 4. For row 3, you're going to knit all stitches. For row 4, you're going to start by purling the first stitch, and then you're going to repeat. Knit 2, purl 4, until you get to the last 3 stitches. So you just repeat. Knit 2, purl 4. And when you get to the last 3 stitches, knit 2 and purl 1. And you just repeat those 4 rows for the pattern.